I'm Jenny. Okay. Um, pearls are one of the most widely used jewelry, and also there are two kinds: freshwater pearls and saltwater pearls. Look at this one, freshwater oyster. As we can see, there are so many pearls inside. They are 2 years old baby pearls, and that's the normal quantity one freshwater oyster may produce. Usually, one ocean oyster within only one pearl inside. So that's why ocean pearls are more expensive than freshwater pearls. Although there are so many pearls inside, when growing up, only one or two super quality collected as such jewelry. The rest, not quality one, mainly used as the Dragon Lady cream. Her cream to see the true emperor during the late feudal Qing dynasties. She just used to use cream to keep young. That is something for anti-aging as well. The pearl cream contains three main ingredients: 75% of crushed pearl, ginseng, aloe vera together. Okay, so later you can have a try. And here comes the four natural colors of freshwater pearls. They are, this is white, pink, purple, and black. Black one with green luster, probably black one with blue, even rainbow luster. They are all formed by different minerals in the water. To distinguish real from fake, you can just rub the pearl against your teeth. If you feel just rough, real, smooth, and hot, that is fake. The most effective method, just to rub the pearl against our teeth. For the ocean pearl, just like the one I'm wearing, that is Chinese golden pearl, native to China, from South China Sea. Look at this one, golden pearl with Chinese letters, dragon. These are something very traditional and typical as well. 280 US dollar. But the one on my neck, bigger one, so a little bit higher. If you like, later you can have a look at the very end corner of this lobby. Okay, so now let me follow me. Let me show you something to have a look at first. This way. These two, the most typical pearl cream here. Black one for day, golden one for night. Okay, day cream for pigments, night cream moisturizing. There are 100 Chinese for each bottle, and if you buy three, you get four. So 300 Chinese, you can get four bottles. And these two, for everyone, men and women, old and young, everyone can use it. And hyper energetic as well. As for the jewelry, here on sale in the least expensive area, suppose you pick up any two, for example, something like this, 300 yuan for each, 600 yuan, you can pick up three necklaces, maybe necklace with bracelet or ring, mixed, whatever, two items, third one for free. For the rest, whatever catch your eyes, 30% off. Okay, so now please feel free to work.
Nós disso também dos joias. Nunca foi que eu usei.
Nze-Bertram tuning here. Palace in Beijing.